Welcome back, YouTube fam. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be diving deep into the mysterious world of rate limit exceeded on Twitter. Ever wondered why you receive this frustrating message? Well, stick around as we uncover the truth and provide you with some tips to overcome this hurdle. Let's get started. Host. And that's a wrap for today's video on rate limit exceeded on Twitter. We hope you found this information valuable and that it helps you navigate the Twitter platform more effectively. Remember, understanding rate limiting will empower you to make the most out of your Twitter experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our future content. Until next time, stay social and happy tweeting. Host. Before we wrap things up, we'll answer some of your burning questions about rate limiting on Twitter. Don't forget to leave your queries in the comments section below this video. Expert insights and interviews. We've reached out to some Twitter power users and experts who have experienced rate limiting firsthand. They'll be sharing their insights, personal experiences, and tips to help you overcome any obstacles you may encounter. Debunking rate limit exceeded myths. Host. There are many misconceptions surrounding rate limiting on Twitter. In this segment, we'll debunk some common myths and clarify the facts. Understanding the truth will help you navigate the Twitterverse more confidently. Understanding the Twitter API. For those of you who are tech-savvy, we'll give you a crash course in the Twitter API. We'll explain how developers can work within the rate limits and build amazing applications while staying within the boundaries set by Twitter. Strategies to avoid rate limit exceeded. Now, here's what you've been waiting for. We'll share some practical tips to help you avoid hitting those pesky rate limits and continue enjoying Twitter to the fullest. From optimizing your usage to leveraging third-party tools, we've got some great solutions in store for you. How rate limiting affects users. Rate limit exceeded can have various consequences for Twitter users. It restricts your ability to perform certain actions, such as sending tweets, following new accounts, or even accessing certain API features. Let's explore the impact it can have on your Twitter experience. The science behind rate limiting. Twitter has set specific limits on the number of requests you can make within a given time frame. These limits vary depending on the type of request, such as posting tweets, liking, retweeting, or following users. Exceeding these limits triggers the infamous rate limit exceeded message. But don't worry, we've got your back. Understanding rate limit exceeded. So, what exactly is rate limit exceeded on Twitter? It's a mechanism implemented by Twitter to prevent abuse and ensure a smooth user experience. However, it can be quite frustrating when you encounter it. Let's break it down for you.